As a mom of two, hindi ko na alam kung paano pa isisingit sa schedule ko ang pag-aayos ng sarili ko. Buti na lang I have these 2 products for My Home Salon na talaga namang nakatulong sa akin. This is the My Home Salon Shampoo and Conditioner. Sa sobrang bango at effective nga ng products na to, talaga namang hindi ko na kailangan pang lumabas ng bahay. Alam nyo naman, ang mga nanay, hindi sapat ang 24 oras para sa lahat ng gawain natin. The shampoo makes my scalp healthy at talaga namang nakakawala ng hair-related stress. They also have this mask conditioner, which locks in moisture and keeps the hair smooth and healthy. It also straightens my hair at talaga namang napakaganda niya all throughout the day. Kaya hindi ko na kailangan lumabas pa para magpasalon. Available in all online platforms. Grab yours now and tell me your thoughts about the My Home Salon Shampoo and Conditioner.